right, today we're gonna bring a privacy hook. If you guys can see, it comes with the screws. If you have a backyard and you want to make sure you close your actual fence, this is a perfect way to do it. Not only that, any kind of door you could set up as long as you have two opposite directions of wood that you could screw this in. Or if you're gonna do cement, it would have to be different types of actual screws. So today we're gonna put it to use, and we're gonna see how it looks and how it works. There you have it. It's very simple to set up. You screw all 4 screws in here, unlock it, you lock it in place. You can open your door if you want. You can lock it in place, and it's very simple to use. This is perfect for backyards, any kind of fence you have, or you want to lock something just enclosed. Not too much security on it, but at least if you have dogs, they're not going to be able to reach this. It's pretty long, very durable, real strong. It's outdoor graded. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.